Bible ni monsem, Quran ni monsem, Adasa Maya Muni. Ayamunyeni, ayamunyeni, ayamunyeni. Bible ni musem, Quran ni musem, adasama ya munyini. Bible ni musem, Quran ni musem, adasama ya munyini. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Yesre Allah onhuye nyina mobo onfa ni shira na dom ene na somdwe enhuye nyina yesoda. Wei eye mosomfo Imam Adubofo ana menim ahie ewo Ampa TV eso. Na ene nso so yasan be hia bi mu a ye ba be kire yi nua setu ye be kire no ade kakra efri se ehun hia. Ye botaye eni se enam sa enkirekire wei so no ninimdie no ebenyini kakra. Sede maka no me other videos mu no me ne no akasa empremienu na mahu se ninimdie ewo nyamesom mu no ewo form kakra enti ehu hia se ye na ye kire no ade sede be ya ebeboa no na ebema ninimdie no abasoro se nam eno so na se odeje otumfo nyankopon tum odeje nyamesom tum alhamdulillah. Nemom ye botaye party through ni say be ma na hunu enokra ewo nyamesom. Ene yasemu a ye ba be ka no nso so no eye enkomodi a one ye nua Shompo ediye. Na ebia yentimi emmo video ni nyina because video no ye about over 40 minutes. Yentimi emmo ni nyina. Ye bebo emu kakra bi na de ye bo no eye question anana obisa onua Shompo na question na obisa ye no Shompo ekire ni mu ema the correct answer but ade ba akwa ye nyina ye nhye ne nso ne say enam say the common sense family say no omo hwehwe se omo benya emfonso bi o Shompo ho nti no they take him by surprise. The India American is say onipa se wo nimde sempo na so obi ye se obe take you by surprise ah. Se wan hwe ni ya obetimi ayemfonso. Enu nti na even TV stations akese ti say BBC nom ne is about Ghana, UTV, nomne GTV, nomne adina no. Se ye di nimdie ni bi beba betena so ama waba be kasa ye di kan ma ne hunu asempoti a obeka. Efise oye nipa obetimi ayemfumso. Ewum se owo ade no hu nimdie de. Nanso obetimi ayemfumso. Ti ye di kan de asem ne ma no ebi as a topic a ye de ma no. Se nsem we ni ye be kasa afa ho. Na so ono nso so owo nwuma ketua bi ana o bibia na wa revise ne ho kakra ansa no aba enti de mahu ni say enam say the common sense family, the so-called common sense family, particularly Abraham bin Moshe ene Setu wonu madwene ni say na wonu de omo hwehwe ni say omo benya mfomso bi ewo Shompo ho nti no wonu it taken by surprise said e be ya ebia obeye mistake bi na based on that mistake no omo dia kugina bontin say ya expose no de omo hwehwa ano no nyame ncha de anu yi a Shompo edema Abraham bin Moshe akoda ya ye friend Setu no it was a perfect answer. Na eno ana me pese me bo ema ye nyina yetie na yetie wi a emu nchiremu kakra me nso so me de beka de Shompo kan no ho me de atoa so inshallah. Enti moma yenkotie eye Setu.
for Mechiachia will be a Manitia, Sean Nation, on my life, M.A.M. friend in town, and then be friend Sean Nation, be friends is here. We may the Sean Nation, but okay, be a friend of number some questions. Yeah, when the Sean Nation answer now or the Bemayano. It's about a video on one Kasaye, anyone will put that video no. The people put a Sean Nation question about that video no. My answer in Benny Film okay. It's for me, fresh Sean Nation is here. Every Sean Nation answer correct. So, picking one there, near put some questions. Okay, my friend. Hello?
Yeah,
Bema, let's say. Okay. Hey, your friend, Kwabena, make us free Austria. Bema, then no program I away and I follow pound. Now, would they, you know, and I'm a work question, and I'm a percent come up okay. So, bet me up one year, and no the opposed to you know. What time can crisis here, mammy?
Enti the na me can say they took Sean Paul by surprise. Said the beya won benya mfomso bi e woni ho. Okasa na oye mistake a omo de agina so akoka say ono pra onim hwe na omo de agina so na omo de akasa. Yentie
Okay. And now if I by Quran chapter 2. And now chapter 6 no verse 6 Quran chapter 2 verse number 6 no. And now what can be to say bia ye wonko phobia senka Muhammad kan na say Muhammad ameka krampo na ko mu njindi. Bibi sa o ase o masisi o makoma no o mu njindi.
enti ahai no on miskotu Sean Paul Seka Mohammed kan kra anka omu nyini said yetie video yetie no nyame adom Sean Paul so okai de okai enti okan se no me nka sa ne mu sei na me kan yentie
Dabi Quran se Quran by se Quran am ba na se Quran by crampo na there are some people na ko mu believe they will not believe. Say say Muhammad dey kan.
Any Korean Musa was so one year here for the 2 for 1 2 for 1 year.
The same sana me party 2 for 1 2 for say Muhammad
enti emra Sean Paul make the correct statement from the Quran no seto SI by say and sana me pesa me kire we dey enye hwe se sana pesa o kire dia na je say we do not have any contention yento aso
say Muhammad na o dey by sana me party 2 for 1 2 for omo njindi sana me party it say dia me west na me so na enye the same say they will kind okay but we heard the next verse na to aso na that next verse now so can say Allah na si o makoma no kwan and o church as say
and yala na so mo kwan arabe kasa no se khatama Allah ala qulubihim ajese kasa no was in yango body see the siro makoma was in yango body see the siro makoma is wono sanko ko fono bone no maya mana ko akiri no o peso meje no kura ti atumo bibi ye ka hatama kirese bibi asiri bibi ntimi nti omo wa bi ne se omo nyi no kura nti o ba kama dia chekro enwuram ene nyankopon wa ka se wono makoma nakata but we should hatama lao the grammatic in just nyankopon na asiri but enkofo na na mo kwan enya sabuntu that is
it is Allah has set a seal upon them and Allah na yes
David nyankopon de so no siru bi akoma na se wa nyi to ko sa atwe na so it doesn't make sense.
It does, yeah, and the question because at the end of can say and for them it's a great punishment.
It is all correct because the nyankopon amana ira no obi tiri se ne ngaba sikwan sanse mo no so wan siru di na say
me pese me di bibi e kire mo asɛm a Shompo ɛka ne sɛ ɔsi daabi yenuane bisa no question about Quran chapter 2 verse 7 anyankopɔn sɛ khatama Allahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim wa ala absarihim ghishawa wa lahum adhabun adhim. Sɛ nyankopɔn sɛ Allah has set a seal on their hearts. Ɛno ana yenua ebisa sɛ na sɛ Allah has set a seal on their heart there. Ɛno no Shompo ekyirem sɛ. Ana Shompo ekyirem sɛ daabi. Ɛnyɛ Allah na asset a seal on their hearts, which I also agree. Meba be kyirem. Nemom de kyerɛ ne sɛ ɛyɛ nipa no a na aprim wɔn makoma. Enti Shompo kyerɛ mu no ana ɔka sɛ even Quran baabi so ka sɛ obi a Nyankopɔn akyerɛ ne kwan no onipa ntimi nyira no anaasɛ obi a Nyankopɔn ayira no no obi ntimi nkyerɛ ne kwan. Yɛhwɛ deɛ Seto ɛkyerɛ no wɔ na ne screen no ɛso. Also trying to divert. So who? Because enso so no asɛm na Shompo ɔka no asɛm na wɔ so. Nemum osama another verse a ɛyɛ similar to this and wɔ kyerem. But ɔno na twɛm on his screen so say Shompo is trying to divert the subject. Shompo is trying to divert the subject. I didn't know one on the screen so sir, because the only purpose and I said their only problem now is Shompo. And to find fault about Shompo no is their only purpose. It's awesome and one po a kwan no so no nam a or kasa. E was almost create impression be say or divert it. Because the subject in say, Ose Quran ni say Allah has set a seal on their hearts. It's not just Allah has set a seal on their hearts, yeah. And you na it doesn't make sense. Say ebe sakasi ebe punish you. And a Shompo say there be entisa na empo Quran there be krampo say. The Nyankopon ayira no obi ntimi nkyere ne kwan. It is the same subject but giving another example to support your work but also or divert it. Okay, ori yen to aso.
Majo, efose. Kwabna na obi eko baabi na wo che ne se o kwan blue kwan e mienu ba ko ye white na ba ko ye blue na wo kwa na wo kwan na wo si blue na ye mari ti nipa ne fa so na nipa no so akofa white ne so nti wo kwabra wo nim kwan na wo si me ma kira wo se white ne ye no se obi da wo se blue ne ye a Nyankopon ayira no Nyankopon e bia wo manzo ni Nyankopon e na wo se e kwan white no wo fa so a wayira and I was saying, we say, Blue Nation. Is it the Babina Iron? We mean service finding because of the only supply blue labor. And there be different there be quiet, you know. Maybe I mean, some of that fight in the ship. Yamapo, the name is a cold Bruno, wire. But also, some of the quiet in the area. They mean, I hope for my own. We mean to me, Mr. Quenta. They want to know we say, Omega. Doesn't it?
Okay, by so we say who can another percent focus on this verse now because me check it transmit Arabic no okay me the kind of Arabic no into translations now I'm checking in translations in I can say Allah has said on it yes Allah more and I was setting these people no on their heart and seal on their heart no any in their hearing and also I can say over their vision crampon is a veil.
Yes,
Aha, enti what?
Enti enuanom a video a say my boy edru 5 minutes 36 seconds. 5 minutes 36 seconds. Mintimi embo video ni nyina, and my video no crampo over 20 minutes now. But the most important thing no and say ye nyina ye beti this particular verse no a ye nua no seto no original so ebisa ne question no. First of all, the answer no a Sean Paul edema no a perfect answer. There is no mistake in the answer. Na the meme de ka ho edi afo Sean Paul de no so ni say ani enye Allah ana asset a seal on their hearts. Say physically no Nyankopon de a seal abesi won makoma so say enya de a oka bibia won beti ase. Even though sana Quran no aka no. Na Quran asem a waka na sekire eni say. Na sekire tie ani say Nyankopon ebo wiase no. Eni ne ewo mu nyina no, including nipa no. Nyankopon de emra ene nhyehyeye bi agu ho ama nipa. Sa emra no ene nhyehyeye no Nyankopon de agu ho ama onipa no. Ekwan bia onipa befa so ade emra no aye adwuma no, ewo nsunsuanso a emra no ede bre no. Etimidi eja eye mfato ho. Eja Nyankopon na abo. Ne botaya ana ne botaya titiriw pa ne se ehyiade. Ekwan a onipa ebefa so a ode eja no be ye adwuma no. Ena enyansunsuaso ewo onipa no ne so. Enti eja ya yetimi de enua aduane. Yetimi de nane dade ede dane dade no a nka awe na ache no esa de beye ema ne beye emu no eso ba mfa so manipa. Nanso eja ya so nipa yusu no kwan foforo so a eja no ebehye ne niema. Nyankopon na ebo eja no. Obi yusu no kwan papa so eso ba mfa so ma no. Obi susu yusu no kwan bone so ema ede ehaw ebre no. Ye betimi aka no wo ekwan so say Nyankopon ahye saa nipa yi ne niema. Die nti a ye ka ne saa ne say eye Nyankopon na ebo eja no. Nemu ye nka say Nyankopon na di ja no akoto ne niema nim. Enti die Quran no e ka ne say emra no a Nyankopon de abeto ha ma onipa no a eye nyamesum mra no. Ye wonipa no bi wo ho a innal ladhina kafaru sawa'un alayhim. Ye wonipa no bi wo ho a aye adekro ama won, aye pe ama won. A anzarutahum se wutu won mfuo am lam tunziruhum na wa sawantu won mfuo la yu'minun wo mun jindida. Enti wo mo no emra no wo ma kwa akosi emra na chi ana wo no mu ye de wo no mu pe se ye mfa mra no nya adwuma. Enti ensunsuaso a edeba ene se enam se wo no aprim wo no akoma enti no Nyankopon ama emra no ehu adwuma no ehu nsunsuaso no aba won so. Enam se wo ma prim wo makoma enti no emra no hu nsunsuaso no aba won so. Efse emra no hu nsunsuaso no se onipa oprim na koma emre nyina no na koma no eyedin. Na de ono nsusu no onya abodwokere emre nyina no na koma no eyemre. De Nyankopon kan wa heya no. Sa wo de ko Nyankopon abodie mu hyehyeye mu a in the laws of nature no yenim se onipa ohunam mu akwa biara no so wan fa anya adwuma for a certain period of time ewu ana say enya adwuma biem enti se ya mo amate enkrofo a yedo on makoto prison ahodo bi a ebia ye de light anu odin pa asi won so ana say edan a wonum dem emu ye esum pa no enam se won mani no entimi mfa nhwe ade se de ye de hwe binti no ebinum wo ho a yebeyi won mapiem no won mani na afira efi se won manfa anya adwuma ani no ye mfa anya adwuma na se de hunamu akwaate no sara na honhum mu gina bre so tie enti onipa se yede no etna kwan bi so yede ni gina ho ekwan bi so se yede ni gina ho for a certain period of time ebedru sa period ni mu no afei na no honam ebia ne nan no kra na ontimi mfa nanti bi enti sara na nyankopon aye ne hyehyeye ewo abodie mu nyansapem anasa abodie mu hyehyeye mu enti de nyankopon ka se khatama Allahu ala qulubihim no na se kire tietia ne se nyankopon de ne mmra aguho mmra no a won manfa anya adwuma eno nti won ma prim won makoma no de ebeba ne se won makoma no enso anu beba besia no a afa ebedru mmre bi no uka bibia won mu ntie bi sara na won mu susu a won de emre nyina no uka asem a onya abotra dwene ho kwa akire no wotie no wode ya adwuma no won mu susu emre nyina no won makoma no ebe emre nemum eno ne nkyere se nyankopon physically watam ade e de abeye nso ano na se wode abekekere won makoma no ho se bibia ntimi nwura dabi nemum nyankopon kasa about the laws of nature sabi nyankopon abodie mu hyehyeye esi ya adwuma fa sa pepepe anu nipa bia otie wo ye against religion o yes kokodrum pempenso bia afi wonya te nyamesum mu asem bi pe jai omo de se omo de da bia sa asem no kra wonya ntie wonya nwene ho nanso enam se firi nyamesum ni ho na eba ni nti no o se untie enti that is the seal ababesi wakoma so no. It is a law of nature. A law of nature, and there is no doubt about it. Say this is how the laws of nature work. Adie bia no sedi yesinim no sedi yesinim adie bi no sara na eye edema yen anase sedi yesi hu adie bi no for a certain period of time no sa na eye edema yen senka ye bo nipa ye nyini ba no ana ye be hu se nipa ye ni hwene so hunu so obi wo hwene ana ye wo mama if you say what hunu say in the laws of nature no enipa bia na ye ni hwene anase ye wo hwene so ko hu se obi ni hwene a ebe ye wo mama because unim say enipa ye wo hwene na ade ntina we nko ade oni hwene we de me de ye mfato won keke nemum asem ni nyina ne say nyankopon abodie mu no waye ne hyehyeye de atom ne hyehyeye a waye de atom ni say ye wo ebinum wo ho a wonum fa nyankopon hyehyeye ne so de ye adwuma pepepe ye wo binum wo ho nso so a wo ye wonum de wonum mfa nya adwuma na enam santi won makoma no eprim emra no ehun susu aso ni bi no enam se won mfa nya adwuma nti won makoma no eprim na akoma no a eprim no eno na ye kan say Allah has set a seal on their hearts. Allah did not come physically to set a seal on their hearts, but it is the laws emmra no Nyankopon ahyehye no ana eye na dwuma sɛ de Nyankopon ahyehye no pepepe. So wofa sekan yetime de sensene aduane edi na sɛ ye de no aduane enoa ema yedi ema yenya ahoden. Sekan kro ya ebetini atwa onipa enhyehye ya ye de ato ho no ebetini akum nipa ebetini apra nipa enhyehye ya ye de ato ho no enti ekwan a obefa so a ubedi sekan no ne mmra no so no eno nso won sunsuanso a edeba yesi se bibi ankoka papa a enye grade bibi ankoka papa a enye grade enti papa no ene mmra no sede ye wode mmra no be ya adwuma no ehun sunsuanso ne ba wo so enam enusu nti ana Islam emma enkyerɛkyerɛ efa onipa the physical state of man. The physical state of man no enkyerɛkyerɛ Islam edema yɛn ni say take care of the physical state of your physical state because it is by that ana enya nsunsuanso ewo moral state na asa enya nsunsuanso ewo spiritual state. Say I'm trying to find me. Say onipa bi wo ho na se wanhwe na aduane a odi na aduane bia obenya bia odi a enya nsunsuanso wo ne so even physically no krampo no enya nsunsuanso wo ne so enti yes you are what you eat de wo ye waduane a wodie. But even apart from the physical a friend say the physical ensusuanso a ebinya wo so no esa wo ensusuanso wo so morally and spiritually enunti ana Islam abraye aduane ahodo bi enti the Quran kan nyina ne say the actions of these disbelievers ana create a reaction from the laws and Nyankopon ahyehye enti enam se Nyankopon na de saa mmra no begu ho nti ana yese Allah has set a seal on their hearts. Nemum enye se Nyankopon ba physically ana ode a seal ebesi won makoma so na saa na Quran nso akyerɛkyerɛ. So kan Quran chapter 4 verse 156. Quran chapter 4 verse 156. Asamo otumfo Nyankopon kan say o say fabima naqdihim mithaqahum wa kufrihim bi ayati llahi wa qatlihim al-anbiya'a bighayri haqq. Or say enam then because of their breaking of their covenant. Nyankopon kyerɛ yɛn die nti a seal ebetena won makoma so. Or say because of their breaking of their covenant. Fabima naqdihim mithaqahum wa kufrihim bi ayati llah. Na afei and their denial of the signs of Allah. Wakatlihimul anbiya, and apart from so ma break your covenant, apart from so wonum asoriati Nyankopon senkyerene, they go ahead even to seek to kill the prophets. And they are seeking to kill the prophets unjustly. So they are growing in disbelief. One makuma no yeding. In a time will come emrano and say enam se one wa prim one makuma no ekosoro emre bi bedu a afi na akuma ne mu ato oye ne hwe enye yebiem. O say wa qawlihim qulubuna gulfun. Na one mo kase ye de yakuma no ye yakoma edin ye wo ye hwia enyi won man kasa no won mako do the level a won man kasa kura hunu say ye yakoma no ayedin ye de ye ngi akomhefo ndi to the extent that won kasa ti akomhefo won di Nyankopon atem won di akomhefo atem ti say the Abraham bi Moshe otimi bie na no akasa Yesu mintimi kranka na me emfa yin na mfum so nche won kodru sam pempenso na o say bal taba Allahu alaiha bikufrihim fala yu'minuna illa qalilan. Or say, nay, but Allah has sealed them because of their disbelief. Because of their disbelief, no. Emranu Nyankopon hyehyɛ no, ama wɔn makoma no emu ato. This is the meaning. It is after they have grown in disbelief. They have grown and grown into a certain height. Afi, you know, one man come and one man kasa krampo no in their own self no. One muji to say here the premier come. Here the oye shia enyi. At that time no, emra no a eye adwuma ne say afi one man come and emuto oye ne shia enyi. And Allah does not come physically to set a seal on their heart, Debbie. Nemum, it is the laws of nature that is working. Enti enam enosunti ana Islamu said na me kan Nyankopon ebraye eniema bi. Se emienwe preku. Emienwe aboafunu. Emiendi emoja. Emaye nom ensa. Emaye nyewi. Emaye mu adwaman. Emaye sanye ema we nu nyina no. Ne bota ye ne say the more you indulge in these things no emra wo do hu wura sa na emayi mu no de eba ne say afi enhyehyɛ ya Nyankopon ayede ato ho ama onipa no ehun sunso aso ene ba wo so bibia onipa wo ye bia no wo sunso aso eyemra ana Nyankopon aye the laws Nyankopon obo wiase emra no de abo ehyehyɛ no de ato eti hyehyɛ no ekwan a onipa wo fa so de aye adwuma no ana enye nsunso aso wo so eti obi bedi mfaso ewo mmara no ho obi bedi yie ewo mmara no ho obi nsusu benya ahokyere ewo mmara no ho ni nyina gina kwan a onipa wo fa so de aye adwuma enti enye Nyankopon na ebesete a seal no nemom the seal is set through the laws na Nyankopon aye no enu nti no say Allah has set a seal enti Nyankopon onhie nyina mbo na omaye nyina enti ase wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.